Stop scrolling for a moment. If you've ever experienced red, swollen, or bleeding gums, this video could save your smile. Millions of people in the USA and Canada suffer from gingivitis, gum inflammation, and early signs of periodontal disease. Yet most online resources are incomplete or confusing. Today, we'll break it down in a clear, professional way with 3D visuals showing exactly what happens in your gums. Gum inflammation, also known as gingivitis, is one of the most common dental problems. It occurs when plaque and bacteria build up along the gum line, causing redness, swelling, bleeding while brushing or flossing, and bad breath. Left untreated, gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, a more serious gum disease that can lead to tooth loss, bone damage, and chronic oral infections. Understanding the causes is crucial. Major triggers include poor oral hygiene, plaque buildup, sugary diets, smoking, stress, hormonal changes, and certain medications. By addressing these factors early, you can prevent long-term damage and maintain healthy, strong gums. So, what can you do to stop gum inflammation? Start with brushing twice a day with a soft toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste, making sure to gently clean along the gum line. Floss daily to remove plaque between teeth, and consider using an antibacterial mouthwash. Regular visits to a pediatric or general dentist are key. Professional cleanings remove hardened tartar that brushing alone cannot. Watch for symptoms like redness, tenderness, or bleeding, and don't ignore them. Early action can reverse gingivitis and prevent permanent damage. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more expert dental tips. Leave a comment sharing your gum health story, and send this video to a friend who may benefit from this knowledge. Learning about gum inflammation, gingivitis, causes, treatment, and prevention is essential for anyone wanting to protect their smile. By recognizing the signs of gum inflammation, maintaining proper oral hygiene, and seeking professional care, you can stop gum disease in its tracks and enjoy a healthy, confident smile for years to come. This evidence-based guide is designed specifically for viewers in the USA and Canada, giving you reliable strategies for preventing gum disease, protecting your teeth, and ensuring long-term oral health.